everybody. Welcome to a new series and podcast on my channel, the Self-Publishing Tips and Tricks Show. I'm Shannon, writing under the pen name S.D. Houston. The hosting lineup will include myself, Ben Pick, and Morgan Lee. The format for this series provides you insight into the world of self-publishing and marketing your books. We'll share a bit of our own insights into the craft of writing, self-publishing, and marketing books. But we'll also interview established indie authors who will share their insights into self-publishing and promotion in today's market. Episodes will be posted on the 1st and 15th of every month, with the first episode airing on January 1st, 2022. In this first episode, you'll get a chance to meet our show hosts and learn about their writing and publishing experiences. Our second episode will feature indie author Margaret Pinyard, who writes in several genres to include young adult, mystery, and historical fiction. You can leave questions or comments by leaving a voice message in the show notes on the podcast, a comment on the YouTube video, or on our Facebook group, Self-Publishing Tips and Tricks. If you are a self-published author or know of any self-published authors who would love to share their insights and talk about their work, we are open to pitches. You can access our sign-up form on any of the platforms already mentioned. We also welcome any questions you may want to ask future guest authors. You never know, we may just ask your question. We look forward to an awesome season filled with lots of tips and tricks from the world of self-publishing. See everyone soon!